Just what I
Ooh,
wanted.
shit. I gave this nigga a radio. You know what I'm saying? We jamming this shit.
Kid,
Fuck,
when I
nigga.
had a kid.
Bow! Bow! Alright.
Nice work, Jimmy.
Nice work, Jimmy. Fuck. Bro, is this sleepy time for real?
Can you help me, sir?
Fuck no, I can't help you, pussy.
Hey, Beatrice, what's wrong?
Two things. Firstly, my cold sores are totally acting up.
What? Ew.
Like doomed lovers.
Enough. Okay, I'll get your book back.
Then we can kiss. The cold sores aren't contagious once they start to scab over.
Ugh, dirty ass bitch. Oh shit. This some bullshit, bro. I can't believe I gotta fucking do this shit right now. Move out the way, pussy nigga. I'll beat your ass, Frank. Look at this fuck nigga Steve. Alright. Bitch, how the fuck you gonna ask me to kiss you? You got cold sores. I don't wanna. What the fuck? That's like asking a nigga to eat your ass so you got a shit. Oh, here we go. Parkour, baby. Hell yeah. Let's fucking do it. Oh yeah. Parkour, baby. Oh, I knew it. I walked by him today and he looked at me. He's such a free radical. Oh, how I love to pair his electrons. The whole thought of us making sweet organic chemistry just sent shiver up my pussy. Spine. I meant to say spine. Move the fuck out the way, Sarah. I'll beat the shit out you. What's up, Frank? Fuck out of here, Nick. Move, bitch.
Much obliged.
Lee's diary. Oh, he better not kiss that bitch. Oh, feel her ass. Touch her ass, Jimmy. Oh, man, she's so fine.
Thank you for being my partner for this.
Oh, what's up, Beatrice? Why this nigga got a... Give me this fucking bat. Fuck, nigga.
Sheldon.
I can
Fuck.
hurt someone.
Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Oh, all right. Fuck out of here, Sarah. Oh, look at this little nigga Franklin. What's good, Frank?
I'm sure he...
What's going on?
What's good, bro?
Hi. Want to be friends?
Sup?
I told Dr. Crabbles that you don't make trouble.
Hell, that's fucking right, Franklin. You let these niggas know.
Listen, I know girls, man. Lose girls.
Shut the fuck up, bitch ass nigga. Bitch. Oh, all right. Get the fuck up.
Tell me you did not just do
I
that.
fucking did it.
You ever kissed a girl? I'm the
Yeah, yeah. Fuck, nigga. Oh, all right. This nigga crying and shit. Last minute shopping. Oh, damn. Helga got a fat ass. She probably sucked
Nothing.
good dick.
The head sent me.
So I got $77 in my pocket, and it's 2002. So like, am I balling? Cause like $77, that's, you know, this is a cool amount of money. It's not like a lot, but like, you know, it'll get you something nice in 2019. But like 2002, fuck, nigga, I got racks. Move out the way, fuck boy. Oh, there go Frank right there. I shall punch him in his dick. What's up, ma? Here you go, stank ass bitch. I got all that shit for you. Oh, and she gave me $15. Oh, fuck. I'm about to go get a dime bag, nigga. $15. Shit. I wonder if this nigga Jimmy ever smoked yet. Oh, what the fuck? Move out the way, Frank. Get the fuck off me. Give me that dick, nigga. Fuck, boy. Fuck, nigga. Suck my dick. Oh, what's up, Miss Phillips? God damn, what the fuck did I make? This shit look like I painted it on Picto Chat.
Very pleasing work.
Oh man, she got some titties. Hey, Cassandra, what's up, baby?
Looking good.
What's up, girl?
Hey, girlie.
All right, fuck you then.
You should not have done that.
I'm not in trouble no more, so I'm gonna come out. Move the fuck out the way, Frank. Fuck you. I hate that nigga Frank, bro. He just be everywhere all the time. Ooh, what's up? What's good, Heather?
You know, you smell.
You smell real nice, girl.
Do you have something
Yeah, girl, I got you these
special for
flowers,
me?
bitch. I just picked them outside.
She's amazing.
Here.
I'm not perfect, not even close.
Here you go.
I go around telling people
Take the fucking flowers.
let me out here, please.
This is so sweet.
Yeah, that's what they be telling me.
If you kiss once a day, you'll live
Yeah.
longer.
Let's start now, baby. Let's live forever, baby.
I think
I'm in love, baby.
Okay, now all we gotta do is get back
Oh,
to the
shit.
library.
Oh, okay. Throw that ass back. What the fuck? Oh, this fuck.
I
What's
heard
up,
like
Eunice?
10 people made
This
out
bitch, she
here.
fat as hell, bro. She all right. Oh shit!
I don't care if you call me a snitch. I'm
I should. You know what? I'm a real nigga, so I'm gonna take that L. Fuck you, Frank. See, this nigga Jimmy, he's a G, bro. He just be like, he rides his fucking skateboard down steps. How many niggas you know ride a skateboard down some steps and shit? Look at this. Like nothing. Like nothing.
I'm not afraid
I
of you.
sure
Loser.
am
Oh!
more impressive
Shit!
than you, and they're
Shit! Fuck, nigga! Ah!
guys don't have a hope in
Bitch ass nigga! That's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it. Give me that shit. Give me this fucking ball. Oh shit.
Why are you even
Give me this-
trying? We're gonna win.
Fuck,
because
nigga!
we're-
Ah!
We are
Bitch! Give me this shit.
Too, huh?
Bitch! Nigga, 3 for 3! I'm 3 for 3 on the fucking billboard, nigga!
We'll get them next time.
Shit. Damn, that was a bitch ass hop. What's good? What's good, Chad? You try to get fucked up? You try to get fucked up? Oh, fuck. What's good, Justin? I know a fuck nigga named Justin in real life. I wouldn't mind fucking him up. Bah! Oh, fuck.
You look pathetic.
Bah!
You look pathetic.
These niggas ain't even know what was.
Hopkins is
You
surprising.
know what I'm saying? You know what the fuck going on, man. You've passed. You've earned the beach clubhouse. Yay! Wow. Mommy, I have a new house now. Oh, shit. You earned the boxing outfit. Oh, fuck. 'Cause, you know, nigga, you know what I'm saying? I gotta sleep and shit, cause these niggas, they be trying to, you know what I'm saying? They be trying to like, you know, you know what I'm saying? Like, they be trying to catch me lacking and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, damn! Wow, nigga, I'm Scorpion. Oh, shit. All right, there we go. All right, bro. Time to take it down.